This is Nissan Rogue 2014, right? The license plate light went out. I went to do inspection. They told me the license plate went out. I was watching somebody doing it online, so I found another way that you can just pull it, right? You just open that cover. See? You just open the cover from here, and then you just twist it, and then you can just put it in. So I hope this help a few people. If you like the channel, you know what to do. Like and comment, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions. And voila, you just take it out, twist it, and voila.